Kahit nasa bahay ka, pwede kang kumita sa pagtatanim. And today, I'm gonna teach you how you can get started with that. Hi guys, Tony here, and I am here to teach you everything you need to know about money. Money hacks, money tricks, tips, investing, saving, lahat ng alam ko ituturo ko sa inyo. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button and yung doorbell sign dyan para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Ito ay para sa mga IG friends ko na gustong-gustong magsimula sa planting or farming but don't know how to. This is gonna be a basic guide, teach you how you can get started with earning money through planting sa bahay mo. I call it farming, urban farming. You can get money kahit nasa bahay ka lang, nagtatanim ka lang. Today, I'm gonna teach you the basics. Okay? So, mga kailangan mong isipin, mga kailangan mong gawin, mga kailangan mong i-consider. Quick shoutout lang pala sa mga friends ko na willing magtanim kahit mabigat ang kamay daw. But personally, hindi po ako naniniwala sa ganon. It's all about knowing kung gaano karaming tubig yung nilalagay mo, yung ganon. And yes, you can earn money while planting or farming. And I've mentioned this sa earlier video ko about how you can earn money habang quarantine, habang pahaba ng pahaba yung quarantine period natin. You can still earn money from this. And if you have missed that video, ililink ko po siya dito. And dito sa baba. I've mentioned na nagtitinda ako ng mga gulay-gulay, mga herbs. Ang usual na tinatanong sa akin is, how much do we need to get started sa ganitong business and sideline, I think. Basically, I started with around less than 500 pesos. Isipin mo siya para siyang regular investment mo. Paunti-unti mo siyang lalagyan ng funding, pero tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Ginagawa ko every sahod or every time na nagkakaroon ako ng pera, what I do is I invest a little, 500 usually, 500 pesos to support that. So, may 500 pesos ako to either buy fertilizer or soil or pots. You don't have to plant ng marami agad. Start with 1 to 2 plants and then paramihin nyo lang. And kung may mabenta man kayong halaman, make sure na iikot nyo yung pera, okay? Para may next time, may pambili ulit kayo ng soil. Pag naubos, may pambili ulit kayo ng pot. Kung maliit ang budget mo to get started with planting and farming, may hack naman dyan eh. So, you buy small amounts of soil just to get started. And ang pot mo, pwede kang gumamit ng mga 1.5 liters, 1.5 na mga bote na mga Coke, mga Sprite, or mga used plastic na lalagyanan. You can use that to put the plants. Pag mga ganon, wag niyong kakalimutang butasin sa ilalim ng marami para may nahuhulog yung masama din yung laging basa yung soil unless it's a plant na mahilig sa water. Ang kinagandahan sa pag-invest into planting or farming is meron tayong mga halaman na ang bilis dumami. So, initial investment mo lang is, kunyari, yung seed ng halaman na yun. Or kung bibili ka man ng seedling na o ng plant na, pwede mo siyang padamihin. Let's say, ang bili mo sa isang basil plant, ako, binibenta ko siya ng around, ranging from 25 to 80 pesos. Depende yun sa laki ng basil. And, alagaan mo lang. Ang kinagandaan sa basil naman is, madali siyang dumami. So, putol-putol, yung 80 pesos ko, nakarami na ako. Diba? So, mga 100, nakabenta ako last week ng 4 na basil plants. So, that's 400 pesos in a day. And kahapon, hi Steph, thank you so much for buying. If you're watching, thank you for supporting my farming. Binentahan ko siya ng spinach. Yung cut na, hindi yung plant, but if you want plants, I'm trying to grow. And the good thing about planting nga is ang dali nilang dumami. And aside from that, if you're like getting plants na nagpa-flower or nagpa-fruits, yung fruits mismo, kuha ka lang ng isa, ang mangyayari is, yung seeds ng nasa fruit is pwede mong itanim ulit. Technically, free na yung susunod mong plants. So, for basil, cut. Yung susunod na plant ko is free na, technically. For, let's say, spinach, nagpa-flower yung spinach. So, yung nasa flower, kunin ko lang yung seeds, and then marami na akong, ang dami ko ng seeds actually. If you need seeds, just PM me. Ano nga ba ang pinakamabilis for starters? So, if you're just starting out, for me, ang pinakamagandang pang starter na halaman is 1, basil. Kasi sobrang bilis niya lang alagaan and madali siyang dumami. That's like the beginner plant kung nagsisimula ka pa lang. Siguro sa Instagram ko na lang po ituturo kung paano mag-cut, mag-prune, magpadami ng basil plant. So if you want to learn more about those, please follow me on Instagram. Tinuturo ko naman po doon for free. Another best herb to plant if you're a beginner is mint. Kasi, literal, puputulin mo lang yung mint, tutubo na siya. Kung ilalagay mo siya sa soil. Right? So, putol mo lang yung mint, and then, ilagay mo lang siya sa soil, automatic, tutubo na siya. It's very easy. So, those two are the best herb plants that I can recommend na pwede mong start. Ang pinaganda nito is, since yun nga, mabilis silang dumami and madali lang maintenance nila. Kapag dumami na sila, pwede ka nang makipag-compete sa mga supermarket price. Diba? Pwede mong mas babaan para mas bumili sa iyo yung mga tao. Right? So, that's basil, that's mint. For start. For greens naman, ang pinakamadali is kangkong. Kangkong, pechay, and spinach is okay as well. Those are the 3 starter plants for leafy vegetables, especially kangkong. Literally, kung bumibili kayo sa palengke ng kangkong, kakat nyo lang yung pinaka kailangan nyo, di ba? And then may matitira mga stock na ganyan. So, ang gagawin nyo sa stock na mga ganyan, i-shoot nyo lang or itusok nyo lang sa lupa and then tutubo na siya ulit. Okay? So, recommend ko na damihan nyo kasi 80-20% chance of survival yung kangkong. Okay? Next, for the fertilizer usually, pwede namang gamitin kitchen scraps. Kitchen scraps. Ano ba itong kitchen scraps na to? I use crushed eggshells and then hinahaluan ko siya ng used coffee grounds. Yung gamit na, okay? So, halo mo yung dalawa. Weekly, nilalagay ko sa mga halaman ko. Alright. Now, let's talk about seeds. 50-50 po ako sa mga bumibili sa shop. Sa nagbebenta sa Shopee or Lazada na seeds, 50-50. But, there are brands, sikat sila, na recommended ko na gamitin nyo. So, that is Ramgo and East-West Seeds. Those are the 2 brands that I really trust. Laging may tumutubo na halaman sa seeds nila. Kahit expired na, yung nakasulat sa label na expired na yung seeds, tumutubo pa rin sila. Next topic would be, saan kayo magbibenta? You can start off, bago kayo mag-dream na magbenta sa mga supermarket, start with your community first. Okay, start tayo sa kapitbahay, family, relatives. Start with that. And then, pag dumami na talaga yung tanim nyo, you go to the restaurants, local restaurants, offer them your harvests, and then go up from there. Okay? Ngayon, napag-usapan na natin kung magkano kailangan mo, kung gaano karami, kung anong budget, kung paano mga recommended seeds, lupa. Ngayon naman, ways on how you can plant. Okay? Yes, there's more than one way. So, there are actually 3 ways that I know so far na pwede nyong gawin para magtanim. Okay, there's more than one way. And the first way is the traditional. Yung traditional, ito yung lupa, tubig, ganon. And then, the second way on how to plant is called hydroponics. Ano yung hydroponics? It uses water. It uses water and nutrition. Meron din akong gawang ganon. It started with just an experiment, kung kaya ko nga ba talaga. And yeah, it worked. Kahit walang lupa, tumutubo siya dahil may binibili akong solution for that. Ang kinagandahan sa Snap Hydroponics, that's why I use them, is unlike other solutions ng hydroponics. Kasi sa hydroponics, ang dami mong bibili solution. Ngayon, si UP Los Baños, UPLB, did a solution for hydroponics na 2 bote lang na paghahaluin mo, and then pwede mo na yung gamitin and tutubo na yung halaman mo. It's best for leafy vegetables, mga lettuce, mga spinach. Ako gagamit ko siya sa basil. Sabi nila pwede daw sa mga kamatis, sa mga okra, but I haven't tried it kasi maliit lang yung lalagyanan ko, hindi kasya yung kamatis pag lumaki. And the third one is actually aquaponics. Aquaponics is halaman mo na sa tubig, but aside from that, meron mga isda. I haven't learned about that yet. Parang ang hirap kasi. So, I just stick with 2. Again, I have started with just a few. And then eventually, pinarami ko na. Nagkaroon na ako ng spinach, kamatis, ng okra, ng talong. And yeah, I sell them. If you're interested to buy seedlings, I am selling. I'll be selling again to Taguig, near Taguig area on Sunday. I'll be bringing basil plants. Someone texted me that they wanted to get plants. Also in Ortiga, in Pasig. Someone PM'd me, they wanted to buy basil leaves. If you need like a plant starting kit, let me know down in the comments below and I'll try to send you one. Let me think kung for free joke lang. Pero sige, since you've watched my video, pabigay ko na yun sa inyo. Just let me know and I'll send you a free plant, either a basil or mint. Yeah, just let me know down in the comments below if you're interested and I'll send you one. I hope you guys are keeping safe. Find ways on how you can earn money even on lockdown. I have linked that, and if you have more ways on how to earn money during lockdown, during quarantine, let me know down in the comments below and I'll try to explore it or send a video or make a video about it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and I do hope to see you again soon. Bye!